Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. Let's apply infill of these nails. Look at the pinky nail, it seems that it's going to fall off. And as you can see, nails are staying on about 1 month. And I will be working with this carbide drill bit. It has very large crisscross toothing, and it helps me perfectly and quickly remove the gel from the nail plate, and it doesn't burn the nail plate at all like any other bits. Yeah guys, I know that so we got a problem of a lot of nail bits that they burn the nail plate, and it's hellishly hot when you work and when you're removing the gel from the nail plate. So the higher toothing, the less pain. And you can also change the place of your work on the nail area, and this way when you change the place quickly, it doesn't burn the nail plate. And as you can see, I'm working with diamond drill bit. This is a favorite drill bit of Russian nail technicians, because now there are a lot of courses in Russia, and people learn how to apply hardware Russian manicure. It names so only using this drill bit, and this is miracle and fantastic innovation of Russian manufacturers who does tools for manicure. This is special scissors for applying manicure, and as you can see, it's very sharp, and I can easily remove the skin in any place, even in case that we had problem area of the skin, as you can see on this nail. So you can remove the skin everywhere, and I can help this with special cuticle nippers that help me to provide the perfect ideal hardware manicure, combinative manicure. So I can combine work with drill bits and work with manicure tools. Of course, we should cover nails with gel primer, and I don't use at all acid primers because it can cause a allergic reaction. And my favorite gel that I already mix, this is sculpting mix gel. So this is a mix of cover pink gel, thick clear gel, and the special very strong thick component that I use for making my gel very thick, and it's easy to apply modeling. And as you can see, I'm applying it in 3 steps. The first, I'm applying the vertical edge. The second, I add a little bit my sculpting mix gel to this vertical edge, and the third step, I cover the whole nail with this gel. So edges that I made before help me, and they don't allow the gel fell off and drop down from the nail. Okay, and as you can see, I took again my drill bit with the barrel form, with the barrel shape, and I'm applying the previous filing of my gel nail. It helps me to apply my work quickly, because if I don't do that, I will tired fast using only the file. And as you can see, at first I'm working with barrel shaped drill bit, and after that I will be using cone drill bit, because the barrel drill bit removes gel faster, and the cone drill bit provides the fine work. Okay, and now I'm shaping nails, and I'm using file of 100 grit. You know, guys, you shouldn't buy a lot of files with different drill bits. Sometimes I'm using old file and applying the fine works, especially like preparing natural nails for nail extensions. I already told you about the drill bit of the cone shape, that I'm applying fine work with this drill bit, and as you can see, I can remove, so I can remove unprocurable gel from the downside of the nail. But please, friends, be careful with this drill bit, and when you start working with this, you should work with low speed at first when you start doing it, and you should keep finger very strongly, because if something goes wrong, you can hurt the client's finger, and it's very dangerous. And I think that you should be the professional if you work with this, because when you apply it at home, it's not always easy and safely. But for sure, I had never hurt the client's skin with this drill bit. Maybe I had that incident with nippers or scissors in my last practice, but I had never had bad experience with using cone drill bit. And this one is the next my favorite drill bit. It removes the remaining cuticles perfectly. And as you can see, at first I'm working with the forward when I'm applying it from the left side, and after I'm turning on the reverse and working with the right side of the nail. And as you can see now, it removes cuticles very quickly. You can also work with side walls and apply everything with this drill bit. So you see that? Okay, and let's brush off the dust, and let's work with my favorite gel paint, the pearl color, and I'm using the flat brush and applying this gel paint on the gel nail. And you can see that we have removed cuticles perfectly, and anything disrupts us to apply, to put product very close to cuticles and even under the cuticles. That's the trend of Russian manicure now, when nail technicians trying to place products under the cuticles. And I will be showing you how to do that in my videos. So now you can see the flat brush, and using the one stroke technique, now you can see that I'm applying everything using this technique. You can learn it watching my special training my special training DVD. It's available on my online shop. The full information is under the video. So I'm applying now the wings of butterfly, and as you can see, I'm drawing the wing very close the area where it was an injury, and I'm trying to beat it this way. And so guys, you should try to improvise like me, even on very hard nails like this. So we have created the special coat with pearl color, and I think that this coat is suitable especially for these fingers. And we applied elegant and romantic blue butterflies. I'm in love with this color. I prefer dark blue colors in my wear, and I like faded colors in my style, and faded blue, for example. I don't wear black color or white color. It doesn't suit to me, but I like applying black and white nail designs on my clients' nails. So let's cover nails with top coat, and let's add a drop on the top to make the ideal coat. Okay, and now I'm removing the tacky layer after curing nails, shape the form, and working with my favorite coconut oil. I'm using it everywhere, even I eat this oil every day, and it helps me to be happy and feel good. So guys, we covered fingers and nails with coconut oil, and now you see nails before my work and after my work. You can see that we got amazing result. I'm in love with these nails, and I think that she's very happy, and she is showing this nail design to her friends, and she's very happy. So guys, I want to give you an advice to work with high quality products and use the best tools, and it will help you to apply nails quickly and perfectly. I composed the list of products that I use for making these nails, and it's about $188 with free shipping door to door. The link on the full price is under the video. Just email me and write down the list of items that you want to buy. Don't forget to click that like button and subscribe if you like this video. See you in the next one!